and not nearly as much as last night. It's been almost a full month since we've seen temperatures up around 40 degrees, but we got there today, and now we are right back where we started with a few additional snow showers. This is mostly pretty light and will be around through about midnight tonight, but there could be a coating of snow in Litchfield County, especially where temperatures are a little bit colder. So Warren, Morris, Litchfield, Plymouth. Temperatures are above freezing for much of the rest of the state, so watch for a few slippery spots just in case, as the roads may just get a little bit damp as this comes through, and we will be dropping below freezing. How widespread this is, at least for parts of western Connecticut. But again, as we head towards and after midnight, this should be moving on out of here. Otherwise, heading into the day tomorrow, a little bit cooler than today. Still above freezing though. High temperatures will be in the mid-30s and it's a bit breezy. We have another chance for a quick coating of snow very late Friday night into early on Saturday morning. This will be right around, if not before, daybreak. And so you might wake up Valentine's Day morning with a fresh coating of snow down on the driveway, a few slippery spots, but most of this weekend looks really nice. Highs will be around 40 degrees. We are watching a coastal storm that will develop for late Sunday night into Monday, so we'll be keeping an eye on that in the coming days. Odds favor not getting a significant snow event, but we could still get grazed by a little bit of light snow or ice. That's kind of the way I'm leaning right now. Low temperatures tonight are dropping back into the 20s. Highs tomorrow will be in the low to mid 30s as we head through the afternoon, and winds could gust up to around 25 miles per hour out of the northwest as we head through the day tomorrow. It's nice and sunny for Friday with highs in the mid to upper 30s, and here's that little push of snow for late Friday night into early on Saturday morning. By daybreak, it should already be out of here. So Sunday we should be dry during the day. It would be Sunday night into Monday that we would at least have the chance for some rain or snow with a storm nearby. Look at those temperatures. I mean, we would need a lot of cold air or a rapidly developing storm for this to bring us a lot of snow. So at this point, it either stays to the south or we see a light mix. We'll keep you posted as we head through the days ahead, guys.
All right, Rach, thank you. Well, after already missing the first 3 days of school this week.
From now through about midnight, a quick snow shower coming through in some towns, and there is a report of a ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch of snow for some in Litchfield County, where temperatures are below freezing. For most of the state, temperatures are above freezing, so it's melting after it reaches the ground, but still watch for some slippery spots as temperatures will be dropping below freezing tonight. Montville, Ledyard, seeing a few flakes out there right now, and it might be coming down in a quick burst along with some gusty winds for Middlebury, for Waterbury, Wolcott, and Watertown. But if we widen this out, you'll see this is really the main push. Maybe a few flakes in northeastern Connecticut, but mostly through about midnight tonight. Here's a look at temperatures. We're down to 35 in Meriden and Hartford, but 31 the current temperature in Waterbury, where we've had a report of a quick coating in Torrington at 28 degrees. Lows tonight will be in the 20s. Check in with the Fox 61 Morning Show crew. They'll let you know if there's any trouble spots to start off the day. Otherwise, tomorrow is a bit cooler than today. We're looking at highs in the low to mid 30s. Also a little bit of a breeze outside as well. Temperatures will rise in the coming days. Maybe another little coating of snow by Valentine's Day morning. We'll talk about that, plus a storm we're watching for President's Day coming up. Here we snow again. Not much, but a little bit coming down across the state. And in some areas, it's more impressive than others. But I will say it's really only going to be through around midnight or so. After that, it's over. But we'll still have to watch for some slippery spots. Southbury, Naugatuck, temperatures are above freezing for you guys, but maybe a little bit of snow collecting on top of those colder parked cars out there. Same is true if you're looking out the window in Wallingford, and New Milford is likely below freezing right now. So a coating possible there. Just a few flakes in Mystic and Stonington, but no accumulation expected, and also just a few flakes or flurries in northeastern Connecticut too. Temperatures are above freezing for most of the state, but below freezing for Waterbury, really for much of Litchfield County, northwestern Hartford County, and northern Hartford County as well. So again, these are the areas most susceptible to being or getting a coating. But really anybody can be slippery through the overnight hours just because everything is going to melt and then could refreeze. Luckily, roads have been treated and retreated, so I'm not expecting any major issues, but watch that first step out the door and check in with the morning show crew. Low temperatures tonight will be in the 20s for most of the state, upper teens for Windham. Minor melting continues the next few days. There is another chance for a brief burst of snow right before daybreak on Saturday. That could leave us with a coating of snow heading into Valentine's Day. And then late Wednesday night into that says Sunday. Sunday night into Monday, we're watching a coastal storm. Still a lot of uncertainty with it, but it's a big storm that'll be on the map, and there's a question as to where it tracks. High temperatures tomorrow will climb into the mid-30s for most of the state, and heading into your Friday, we're also looking really pleasant with highs in the mid to upper 30s. It won't be until way after sunset that we see this little burst of snow. This is 2 a.m. on Saturday, 4 a.m. on Saturday, and by daybreak, it's already out of here. This weekend, we're looking at temperatures in the lower to middle 40s during the day on Saturday for Valentine's Day, and we're close to 40 on Sunday. I'm keeping things dry for now for Sunday night. Monday is a bigger question. This is our European computer model keeping the storm well to the south of us and completely offshore. But 5 days out, things can change. We're watching for trends, and some of our guidance has the storm getting a little bit closer